Hey there, Chris and Mark. How are you guys? My name is Ashley, and I know that you are in contact with Lee. So basically, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 things that you guys can do to not only better your overall website, but better your rankings in Google and really maximize your traffic. And in doing that, it'll be beating your competition online. I'm going to try and keep this video nice and short. I don't want to waste your guys' time, and I don't want to waste my time either. But if at the end of this video, you become more interested, you're intrigued in what I had to say, reach out. We can chat. But with that being said, I'm just going to jump right in. The first thing that I will start with is your guys' current website. I do like how you guys have your phone number here and the whole money back guarantee. What I will say is I noticed that your guys' website is a little outdated. So that is something that, because it's just not user friendly. Like, for instance, your services here, I would have a tab up top with all of your services that you offer. Just makes it a little bit easier for the client to navigate your website. And then a huge thing, I don't know if you can see this up here, but your site is currently not secure, which I want to say is like a big no-no for Google because it can oftentimes be mistaken for spam, not only for Google, but a client can come to your page and be like, oh my goodness, it's not secure, and they hurry up and get off from it because they're like, oh, I don't want a virus from the site. So we would definitely have to get this taken care of and get your site secure, which is not a problem. And then if we come here, I did a general search in your area, and these guys down here from the organic section are your competitors. And I'm going to show you how to beat out these guys. But if we take a look at what their site looks like, I honestly thought that they would have, some tabs up here so I can show you, but their site is not honestly user friendly either. Just to show you, this is a site that we currently, or should say recently got done with, and this is how a website should look like. It's user friendly, it's easy, it's clean, it's easy to navigate. It has all of the services that he offers with all of the like drain and sewer, and then all the services under that, plumbing, all the services that he offers under that. It has all the content it needs. It has all the keywords in the content in order to rank for those keywords. And all the pictures are saved correctly. It has on-page SEO. So that is what a website is supposed to look like, at least nowadays. Like I said, client and how easy it is for your client to navigate as far as your website goes is huge. But going back to your competitors, if we scroll through their website, just take a look at what their content looks like. They do have more content than you guys, and that is one of the reasons why they are currently outranking you. I see they do have some keywords in their content. So yeah, that would be my first tip for you, is to go and get some content for your website. And look, if I wanted to rank for water damage restoration Jacksonville, Florida, I'm going to have that as a header. I'm going to have that in my description. I'm going to even maybe save one of my pictures as that. So instead of this being Jacksonville, a bunch of numbers, I'd save that as maybe water damage restoration Jacksonville, Florida. So yeah, that's my first tip as far as content goes. Now, if we come here, I'm just going to kind of break down Google. So up here, as you can see, these are the Google guaranteed ads. And some people like these Google guarantee ads because Google will guarantee the job up to a certain percentage in terms of money. And the conversion rate is pretty high, so that's good for you because the only thing that you get charged for is calls. And most of the time when people are calling off from these ads, they're more prone to actually making a purchase. And then usually down here are some local ads, but they're not there now. But if you set up the local ads correctly and really tailor them then they can benefit you. Now, moving on down to this section here, the GMB, 40% of traffic comes from this area, so getting in this area is really important. Honestly, being on this first page is where you need to be. So getting in this area just consists of having more citations than this top guy. So what I'd do if I were in your shoes is I'd go and I'd find out all the different directories that these guys are listed in. I'd list myself in those on top of like 300 more. Because look, whatever these guys had to do, you're going to have to do that as well, and then some, because you want to get above them, right? And then moving on down to this last section of Google, the organic section, what gets you in this area is having backlinks. And a backlink is a link created when one website links back to your website. Now, as I said, you are not on this first page, and this is where we need to get you. So to get you here, we need to beat out the competition in every aspect. So we come over here to a paid resource that I use, and we can see I have your stats compared to your competitors up. Now, these are not your exact stats. These are the stats for your actual page. So for example, the stats that I have up right now are for your competitor, but this is for their location page. If I were to have it as their actual page, like I have for yours right now, this would be their actual numbers. But I had to do it that way because I went all the way to the 13th page of Google and you're not on there at all. So I just kind of wanted to just be able to compare it a little bit. But if we go over to your competitor, we can see that their location page of Florida for water restoration has 4 backlinks, 36 organic keywords, and those 4 backlinks are coming from 3 referring domains. So the thing with this, if these backlinks, then they only have 4, they're getting a lot of their power from their main page, this main Serve Pro page. So these guys would not be too hard to beat out. So what I'd do is I'd go in and I'd get these backlinks that are pointing at them guys, and I'd get them pointing at you. Because like I said, if these backlinks are good enough to get them to that #1 spot, then they're good enough to get you there too. And then as far as their organic keywords, I already went through and kind of pointed the ones that I liked out. Now, these are all specific keywords that these guys are being found for. And just to break it down, 150 people are going in that Google search bar and they are typing water damage restoration Jacksonville, Florida. These guys are popping up instead of you guys. Out of those 150, 10 of them are directly going to their site. Now, I don't know what a job is worth to you, but say you're to land 5 of these and you get $1,000 per job. That's $5,000 off just one keyword. That's a lot of traffic you're missing out on, and that's a lot of money that you're missing out on by, first of all, not having these keywords in your content, and second of all, by not ranking in Google. And then the next one is Jacksonville Water Damage Restoration Services. That is being put in Google 60 times, 6 people directly going to their site. Water Damage Jacksonville FL, 70 people are searching that. Jacksonville water damage, 40 people. I hope you can see the idea and get the point of how important keywords are and having the right ones that you want to be found for in your content. And yeah, that's really all I have for you right now. Look, reach out. I'd love to chat. There's a lot of business to be made, especially with the search volume for this area, and more specifically for this keyword right here. But it's just not going to happen being on whatever page of Google you are on. Like I said, I went to the 13th page and I couldn't find you. So yeah, let's get your page where it needs to be. Let's get you a beautiful website with the on-page, off-page SEO, and get you ranking in Google and start getting you that business that you deserve. So yeah, I look forward to hearing from you guys. My phone number is 570-536-4151. Again, I look forward to hearing from you. My phone number is 570-536-4151. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye.